Good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you how to use the link highlight feature in Simplebooklet. So the first thing you're going to do is log on to your dashboard, and then you're going to head over to the document you want to work on and click the Design tab, which is represented as this painter palette. And then from there, you're going to go to Settings, which is the last icon on the left-hand menu. And then you're going to find the header that says link highlight. It's represented as a little highlighter here. Right now I have that feature toggle off, so I'm going to go ahead and toggle that feature on. And we have a gatefold brochure here, and let me just show you what that looks like. So there, did you see that flash of yellow as you open the page? So that will highlight any link you have on your page. Right here we have an email address and we have a phone number. And then, as you can see, as you go through each page, that will highlight yellow again. So that's nice. It draws attention to those features that you have. It's very subtle. It's quick. It won't interrupt with the reading, but it can just help with engagement with your audience and your readership, which is a great feature to have. If you don't want that, you can just go ahead and toggle that off, and that'll turn that feature off. Okay, thanks very much.